So when we moved into this house, the dishwasher was not hooked up, and they said that it didn't work. So I hooked it up to see what was wrong with it. It just needed this bypass valve, overflow valve put in, and the drain tube hooked up to it. Since then, it's been nothing but a pain in the fucking ass. In and out, goes all the time. Fucking display doesn't work. Half the LEDs on it don't work. What else? It gets stuck in drying mode at times. Cancel button doesn't work anymore, the drain button, so when it gets stuck in a mode, it just sits there forever. Long story short, I'm tired of it, so I went and bought a fucking new one tonight because it got stuck in that mode again. It's getting replaced tonight. Think you're gonna help? He's gonna help? Old man gonna help, he says. That must be where it is. I've already shut off the breaker, so it's unhooked. Power's unhooked. It should come out now. Oh, nice glass knife. Kesha, get back. Get back.
Kesha, come here.
What?
What's that box thing next to the flip thingy? That says Emperor on it.
That's my battery for my bike. Of course it doesn't work even. Why would it?